So hello guys, in this video we will see some more important Docker commands. So let's see. So the first command is how we can push any image to the Docker repo and how we can pull any image from the Docker repo. So let's see. First, let's see our images. So here are our images. So to push any image to the Docker repo, first let me show you my Docker repository. So here is our Docker Hub repo. Let's create a new repository, demo, demo repo. And here we can set the visibility, public or private. I will select here public. So simply create. So this repo is now created. So here is the command docker push. Here is my namespace name and the repo name and the tag name. So there is one basic rule to push any image to the Docker repo. That is, we have to tag our image to the name of your uh, repo name. I will show you here. So the very first command you have to do is you have to enter a command that is docker login. First we have to log in to our repo. Simply enter docker login and enter. I've already logged in here. You have to enter here username or password, which is your repo's username or password. Now we have to tag a image which we want to push to the repo. Let's see how we can do that. First, clear the screen. Images. Now, for example, let's push this entry demo image. Entry demo, and simply you have to do docker tag, copy the image ID, and here you have to mention your repo name. That is here. Here we can mention our tag like v1 version 1. Simply enter. Now again, if we check the images, now you can see here our image is tagged with v1 with this name and with this name. Now let's push this image to the repo. For that, there is simple command that is docker push, uh, and here you have to mention your image name demo. Or if there are multiple tags like v1 v2 of your same image, you can specify here the tag like here v1. Now you can see the push refers to repository, the name of my repo. Now the image is pushed to the repo. Let's see here. Simply if we refresh it, you can see here v1 image a minute ago is pushed to the this repo. So in this way you can push any image to your docker repo. So to pull any image from the docker repo, there is a command docker pull. So let's see in our docker repo. So here is the command docker pull. We can use this command to pull this image to our system. Let's copy this command and paste it here and enter. You can see image is pulled successfully. Now if we check again the docker images, so you can see here the image was already available there. So first let's remove this image. So how we can remove an image? There is a command docker rmi. So docker rmi, we have to mention a image ID and enter. So minus F is for forcefully. So now the image is deleted. So now let's again pull the image. The image is pulled successfully. So let's try the Docker images command. So you can see here the image is pulled successfully. So in this way you can pull an image from the repo or you can push an image to the repo. So the next command is docker info. This command shows all the information about our Docker. Here is the path Docker like plugins, and here are server containers, the available containers in our system and running, and the stopped and the images and the plugins, and it also shows the CPUs, the total memory. So this command is useful to see all the information about our Docker. So the next command is docker network ls. So this command lists all the networks, Docker networks. See, there are three networks right now: bridge, host, none. And next we have docker volume ls. This command shows all the volumes available there with the system. Now to see the resource usage of a running container, there is a command docker status. Here we have to mention the container ID. First, let's run a container from an image. Let's run this nginx container. Docker run in detach mode. Uh, Mention the image ID. Here the container is running right now. Docker ps command to check the running containers. So simply here mention the docker status and here enter the container ID. So enter. So here you can see the name of the container, the CPU usage, the memory usage, the limit of this memory usage, all the information about the container usage available here. Now there is one more command to see the running processes in a container. That is docker top command. Simply you have to mention docker top and copy the container ID, enter. Now you can see the processes running in the container. Also, if you want to remove multiple containers at once, you can try docker rm, and here you can give the container IDs like copy. Here by entering space you can give multiple IDs, paste, and like here three containers and enter. You can see it returns the container ID. So if I again try ps minus a, so these containers are echo hello and apt get update or this one. So you can see these three containers are not available. Now there is one more command that is used very carefully, uh, that is docker uh, system prune. Now this command is used to remove all the unused containers, networks, volumes, even images which are not used by any of the container. This command is used to remove all the unused stuff from your system. So also we can here change system with the image. So it will delete all the unused images, and we can also use here container. It will remove all the stopped containers. So let's try this command once. Docker ps minus a. Now you can see there are many containers which are stopped. So let's try this command, docker container from. Now it will ask you for the confirmation. This will remove all the stopped containers. Are you sure? Do you want to continue? Simply press enter Y. Now you can see all the containers are deleted. So again, if we check docker ps minus a, only one container is there. So all the stopped containers are deleted. So that's it for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.